Order bombers have retreated. You are safe to proceed.
Alright, so we are gonna play this game, and it's gonna be fun. I got my shades on to help with the headaches. Also, we'll be checking on the temperatures and frames, as there shouldn't be any issue, but they're way better. It looks like, correct me if I'm wrong here, but we got two. So either that's really a good thing, or it's, ooh, I got a red one. Better. That much. Red. Alright. Get this shit. So let's save in case he's thorn. Let's go. Follow the coordinates of one of possible locations. Yeah, let's just go. Let's just do it. 2 degrees Celsius.
Inquisitor, I know you're getting impatient, but at least your search is drawing to a close. This is the last location where your Magos Biologis could be. We detected a large number of Chaos hostiles. She really has a knack of finding peaceful research spots, doesn't she? Inquisitor, the rebellious forces of the Astra Militarium have taken over the area, and they're fighting with the loyal Imperial Guards. The rebels have surrounded the colony where the Magos Biologis might be holed up, and their mortars attack the Imperial fort with artillery fire.
I've just walked straight into a war, haven't I?
It seems like it.
I'll take care of the rebel mortars.
Whoa!
First. And it's gone. Now where was I?
That's so cool. Gun or weapon. Gotta do Y and B soon. Huh.
The Imperial Navy has launched Marauder bombers as a counterattack. They will bomb the entire area. Find cover.
Such thing as cover. Oof.
The Marauder bombers have retreated. You are safe to proceed.
I'm ready for my trial of faith.
Dude, this guy's taking all that. Sheesh.
I've deactivated the first mortar. How do you dare to turn our weapons against us?
I get the one down there, don't I? Crap.
Oh, I hate.
That was a lot. Why isn't this killing anyone?
The chest was just a bait. A treacherous trick from a treacherous enemy. Oh, I hate.
Oh, whoa! Whoa. Okay. Guess I can't use range here.
Trial of fate. Teleport beacon in range. Second mortar deactivated. That will teach a lesson to this rabble.
So now...
I spoke too soon, Inquisitor. The Marauder bombers are launching a second wave of bombardments.
This one's fine, but like the Y and B don't make sense to me. I mean, this little thing, it's like a joke. Doesn't do a lot of damage either. B seems to be pretty amazing, but it takes a long time to charge up. Not exactly. Usually the charge up shots in this game. Oh. gonna say usually the charge up shots. Oh shit. Let's go. Actually, those are pretty easy to kill, so let's...
The Marauder bombers have retreated again. This time, they are leaving the area for good.
The next time there's an aerial strike, I want to coordinate first with the Imperial Navy.
Ah!
Obey or die!
Kill the heretic. Overheats. The last mortar is down. Try to move against the Imperial Guard now, rebels.
Good work. The rebels won't be able to launch artillery fire for a while.
I wonder if the yellow thing on the bottom... Found her! I found her! Destroy all our work really fast. Because... why not?
This is an Adeptus Mechanicus quarantine zone, Inquisitor. You must leave.
You should have told me that before I came in to rescue you.
If that was an attempt at sarcasm, you're wasting your time. Rest assured, the Conclave will be notified of your support.
I've been looking for you for a while. I need your expertise.
I'm a high-ranking geneticist of the Machine God. My extraordinary skill set is undoubtedly best employed here.
I have an Adaptus Astartes with grievous injuries on my ship, and I need him walking and talking. How often do you have the opportunity to work on one of the angels made flesh?
This new information requires me to reconsider. I will
Robot.
accompany you, Inquisitor.
Yeah. And act faith and